Welcome to Fazool. Guess what we're making today? We're making today. Actually, I'm not gonna be making it. It's gonna be my wife making it. She's gonna make this fantastic bread that she makes, and I'm just gonna be translating what she says. But she's gonna be speaking in Italian, and I'm gonna be speaking in English. So here we go.
Ok.
What's the first thing we do?
Ok, abbiamo bisogno di una zuppiera, una tazza, un cucchiaio, un cucchiaino.
Okay, so we need like a plastic container here so we could mix all. Yeah, a bowl. Yeah, so we can mix the whole ingredients. A cup, spatula to mix, teaspoon, and some yeast, salt, and flour.
And water.
And water, of course. So, okay, here we go.
Ok, allora comincio. Metto 3 tazze.
Three cups. 3 cups of flour. That's any flour. Or is that like all-purpose flour, right? All-purpose flour.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And 3. Okay.
Ok, 3 tazze
Poi,
di farina.
after that?
Mettiamo il sale.
How much salt?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
And a little more.
And a little more. Okay. It's a little bit of English too, huh?
Yeah. Un poco di più, yeah.
Okay. All right. So
Poi
and
metto un cucchiaino di
1 teaspoon of yeast.
yeast.
That's good enough.
Yes.
Okay. And then.
And then, dopo
Okay, you mix
mischio
it.
tutti gli
Okay, you mix it all
ingredienti
together.
prima, li mischio prima. Dopo incomincio a mettere l'acqua tiepida.
Oh, so it's gotta be lukewarm water. Kind of warm. Okay. All of it?
Sì,
All the water, okay.
2 tazze e mezza.
2.5 cups of water, okay. Pochino?
Metti un altro po'.
A little bit more?
Basta.
Okay. Okay, just tell me what to do.
No, penso che basta l'acqua.
Basta così?
Yeah,
Okay, that's
2
enough.
cup.
So it's more like, yeah, it's like 2.5 cups.
Yeah, around
2.25 cup, alright. 2.25 cup, alright. And then?
Ok, lo giro così
Okay, mix it.
per un minuto, 30 seconds, yeah.
Okay, 30, 40 seconds, like a minute, okay.
Yeah.
Until it's all incorporated together.
Ok, then you get all around like
Get all the
this,
stuff that's,
yeah.
okay.
Prendiamo una spatola. Così lo faccio così.
Nice and clean. Get all that luscious together. This is, I tell you, this is some fantastic bread. She makes it all.
And that's it.
And that's it? Then what will we do now?
Yeah. Dopo mettiamo un plastico.
Okay, this is plastic together. On top.
Plastico.
And how long does it have to stay? How long does it have to rise?
Mettiamo in plastico per 3 ore.
3 hours,
Stare
okay.
così.
So we leave it like that for 3 hours?
E ci mettiamo un spinaccio sopra.
Okay. And we'll let it rise for 3 hours
For
straight.
3 hours.
Okay, so after 3 hours,
Lo mettiamo dentro.
somewhere warm?
Lo lasciamo qui 3 ore e dopo torniamo.
Okay, very good. So we're gonna let it rise for 3 hours, and I'll see you in about 3 hours, okay? See you.
Sì. Ciao.
After 3 hours, we got the bread that rose, and what's next?
Ok, adesso prendiamo questo dough.
Okay.
Prendere così. Ok. Ci togliamo questa plastica.
Okay, I keep this.
No.
for me?
Sì, questo è per te.
Okay. Souvenir.
Alright. Now. La prendo così.
I like to keep souvenirs. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. So what are you gonna do
Vengo
next?
qui, vengo
okay.
qui.
So what do
Mettiamo
you do
un po'
next?
di farina. Ok. Questo qua lo cacciamo
Okay.
e lo mettiamo qui. Ok?
Okay. All right. So I guess she's gonna need it for the second time. Okay. It's a very sticky dough, huh?
Così, un po' così. Yeah.
Sticky dough?
Poi
That's how it's gotta
facciamo
be
così.
sticky?
Sì, un po' sticky deve stare.
Ok, alright.
Così.
Ok.
Poi facciamo così la quarta volta.
Uh-huh.
E poi con le mani.
Ok.
Giro così.
Oh, ok.
Facciamo un bel pagnottino. Mi prepari questo per metterlo qua?
Oh, ok.
Un foglio di questo?
Of course I will. That's my job. To be a helper.
Prepariamo un
Basta così?
pagnottino.
Basta così?
Meno.
Non è? Well, too late now. Put it in here.
Sì, là. Yeah, così.
Push it in.
Prendo questo
This is very
pane, lo così come
very
lo
educational,
faccio,
you know. Okay.
lo faccio rotondo,
Nice.
bello
Okay,
così
look
come
how beautiful. Okay, nice. Okay, now you throw it
prendo
back in there.
così.
And that's wonderful. And when you do that?
And lo facciamo crescere per un'altra mezz'ora.
Oh, it's gonna rise again for another half hour. Okay, so we close this. Close it up again.
Prendi giusto un ci mettiamo questo qua.
Oh, okay. So we can rise again. So after this thing rises again, so what's next?
Ok, dopo mezz'ora che è cresciuto, ok. Però intanto aspettiamo 15 minuti adesso e dopo 15 minuti accendiamo il forno a 450. Dopo 15 minuti, aspetto 15 minuti.
Oh, okay.
E dopo mettiamo la pentola altri 15 minuti.
Oh, okay.
Passano il
Here we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait 15 minutes. By the time it's going to grow in about 15 minutes, then at that time we're gonna grab this pot, we'll put it into the oven and warm it up for 15 minutes. That will be a half hour. But then the bread's will be risen already, and that's when it's
così
nice and hot.
Sì,
Okay.
quando è hot dopo lo pressiamo.
Okay, so we'll wait 15 minutes. We'll put the pot inside the oven. Be right back. And we're back. So now what do we do? Che facciamo adesso?
Ok, adesso prendiamo, sono passati 15 minuti, adesso possiamo prendere la pentola e la mettiamo nel forno.
Prendo io?
Yeah,
Ok.
per 15 minuti.
Okay, mi fa un piacere. Can you say that in English to the camera one time?
Brutto.
That means beautiful. Okay. All right, so 15 minutes and it's going to go into the oven, right?
Sì, per 15 minuti, così è mezz'ora, 15 minuti di cottura e 15 minuti per...
Okay. So 15 minutes is going to go, it's going to warm up, and then after 15 minutes is warmed up, we're going to put that into the pot, right?
Yes.
So say one thing. Bello, say bello now.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, see, she's going to say something in English. And we're back. It's a half hour now, right?
Sì.
So what do we do now?
Allora, cacciamo la pentola dal forno.
Okay. I believe this is going to be hot. Scende?
Sì, sì.
Woohoo, it's hot. Okay.
Caldissima.
Man, this thing is hot. Okay. Alright.
Adesso devi aprire
Okay, take off the lid.
Sì. Poi il coperchio.
Take the lid off. Mamma mia, it's so hot. Okay.
Dopo
Okay.
prendo questo,
Il pane.
il pane, e lo metto qua dentro.
Okay, that's
E
easy.
ci mette il coperchio sopra.
I'll put that back on again?
Sì.
Okay. Dangerous stuff here. Okay, close it.
Sì.
Put it back in.
E lo metti dentro.
Oh, okay. Put it back in. So, how long has it got to be in there?
Ok, abbiamo messo per mezz'ora.
Ok, half
Dopo
hour.
mezz'ora lo prendiamo un'altra volta, togliamo il coperchio e lo mettiamo dentro di nuovo per 15 minuti.
Oh, okay, so we're going to take out about 15 minutes. We'll take it out, right? Oh, half hour. Half hour, we'll take it out, and we're going to take off the lid off again. Take off the lid, and we put it back in without the lid, right?
Yes.
So you can cook the outside of it. Okay, so I see you in a half hour. Hey, can you see that in the time?
Yes, I can.
Ooh.
Ci vediamo fra mezz'ora.
Ooh, that's nice. See you in a little bit. Back. It's a half hour now, right?
Ok, sì,
Take
è
it out.
passato già mezz'ora.
Get out the bread now, and let's see what we do next. Take it out.
Okay.
Ooh, that is hot, lady.
Togli il coperchio.
Mamma mia, oh wow. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Oh
Bellissimo.
wow.
E deve stare 15 minuti adesso senza il coperchio. Mettilo dentro.
Oh, okay, so we gotta put it back in the oven in 15 minutes?
Sì.
Another 15 minutes. Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow, let's get some bread. 15 minutes now.
Okay. 15 minutes.
Okay. Wow. That really looks really nice. It's beautiful.
Yep. And that's it.
So, we'll be back in 15 minutes.
Torniamo
I'm not going to
indietro.
say anything crazy anymore, okay? So it's 15 minutes.
15 minuti, ok?
Ok.
Torniamo indietro.
So, pick it up. 15 minutes now?
Sì,
15 minutes? Let's see. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Okay, so what do we do now?
Adesso lo scacciamo dalla pentola.
Uh-huh.
Lo metti lì.
Oh, okay.
E dopo...
Okay. This thing is hot. Ooh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Okay, put it over here. Are we going to taste it?
No, dobbiamo aspettare un po', devi rinfrescare.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we got to wait until it cools off a little bit.
10 minuti.
Okay, so gotta wait about 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Cool off, and then let me try it out. We're gonna have,
Yes,
we're gonna
certamente.
have some butter, put it on top of it. We're gonna try it.
Yeah.
All right. We'll be right back. Look at this! Oh, look at this wonderful bread. Huh? Fantastic. You know what? We're gonna open it up. We're gonna cut it up now, and we're gonna see it. Hear that? Ooh, it's beautiful, nice and crispy across on the outside, and the inside it's nice and soft. Nice and warm. Oh, look at this! It's beautiful. Oh, mamma mia, it's so nice. Right?
Beautiful, yeah? Venuto bellissimo.
Huh? Did a great job. Okay, let's cut this up. Now let's taste it. We're gonna put some butter on this thing.
Dobbiamo provarlo, eh?
Oh yeah, we're gonna taste this now. Look at that. Throw some butter on this. Wow. Look at that, look how soft that is. Nice and hard here. Wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Butter. Cream cheese, whatever you want. Marmellata, which is marmalade, right? Is that what it is?
Marmellata, sì.
Camarelli?
Jam.
Is it marmalade? Jam? Okay. Oh, I would like, you know what? You're gonna try this a little bit too, okay, camera lady? Okay, well, this is for mom. By the way, you did a great job.
Thank
Yes?
you. Thank you.
Fantastic. Like they say in Spanish, muy bueno. Oh, there goes my bread. There goes one of them. Camera lady couldn't wait, huh?
Oh.
Will you let go? Thank you. even the butter wants to hold on to my bread. Mamma mia. Okay, this is for you, mom. You did a great job here. That's for you. Okay.
Okay.
Camera lady already took her piece.
That's good.
And how is it, camera lady? Oh, good. I like that shaking thing.
It's good.
How is it?
Oh,
Huh? Chin chin.
veramente
Huh?
buono.
Chin chin, lady. Hey. Okay. Wow. Just get already. It's fantastic. Hey, give this a try, alright? Because let me tell you, when we make this bread,
Buonissimo.
you can eat this bread with anything. I mean, it's fantastic. It's organic. Whatever flour you want to get, better for you. Just do it this way, and it comes out fantastic. And that's it for this video, huh? All right.
Buonissimo.
Buonissimo. Okay,
Try.
it's beautiful.
Provate.
It's good. So I'll see you next time, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time. Ciao. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.